Hey my AIG students, you'll never even think what I did now. I recorded all of this without it being in the right spot. I put my card in the wrong spot. So I just wanted to go over what we did the last time. We focused on X inputs and Y outputs and how we can write it down. But to make a long story short, X was your independent input and Y was the dependent output. Okay, so that is what you should have right now. Then we said, okay, let's give X some values. So I gave it values 0, 1, 2, and 3. And I gave Y some values, and I made it 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And we said, if X is only used once, it will be a function. If it's used twice, like down here, 3 matched up with 7 and 3 matched up with 8, then it's not a function anymore. Okay, so we don't want X to repeat. We also did the vertical test. We did the vertical test where we said, look at this graph. Is that a function? We take our ruler, we hold it vertically, and we move it over to the right. If it touches the graph in one spot each time, it's a function. If it touches the graph in 2 spots, like over here, there, and there, at the same time, then it's not a function. So, this is a function, this is not a function. Then I took a linear equation, and this is what we did. We picked values for X, like 0, 1, 2, and 3. We plugged it into the rule. The rule told us what we did to X. In this equation, we took X, we multiplied it with -2, then we added 1. Why did we do all of this? To get a value for Y. Why did we do all of this? To get a value for X and Y, to put them together in an ordered pair. So I went and I plugged in 1 for X, 2 for X, 3 for X, and what did I come up with? 1, -1, -3, -5. And what did it help me to do? To create my ordered pairs. I'm going to wait here for a minute just so that you can copy this down so that I know you all have this. This was an easy rule. Okay? However, sometimes we have to make up the rule. Okay? For instance, what if X is 2, 5, 3, and 1? And Y is 6, 15, 9, and 3. First of all, I jumbled up my numbers. I didn't put them in numerical order. So now I have to ask myself, what did I do to X to get Y? So what did I do to 2 to make it 6? Did I add 4? No, because if I add 4 over here to 5, it doesn't give me 15. If I add 4 to 3, it doesn't give me 9. So what must I do? Instead of adding 4, let's see if times 3 works. Times 3, 6. Times 3, 15. Times 3, 9. Yes, it is working. So what will my equation look like? Y turned out to be whatever X was times 3. The challenge will be if we have to do more of these and we have to multiply with fractions and then we add a number at the back, we subtract a number at the back, and we're going to do more of those today. Okay? Thank you guys. Bye-bye.